When it comes to making your home more attractive from the street, even small changes can have a big impact. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful exterior, updating your windows is one of the smartest ways to boost your home's curb appeal. For homeowners in West Jordan, Utah, awning windows are becoming an increasingly popular choice, not just for their functionality, but for their modern style and unique charm. Awning windows offer a clean, contemporary look while improving ventilation, light, and security. Here's how these stylish windows can enhance the appearance and value of your home in West Jordan. A sleek, modern aesthetic. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a unique and streamlined appearance. Their simple design lends itself well to a variety of architectural styles, including modern and contemporary home, craftsman-style houses, ranch and mid-century designs, even traditional properties looking for a subtle update. The crisp lines and symmetrical placement of awning windows give your home a refined, updated look. Their minimalist design is especially appealing for homeowners who want a more modern exterior without dramatic renovations. Perfect for high or narrow wall spaces. One of the great things about awning windows is their versatility in placement. They can be installed higher on walls than most other window types, allowing natural light to enter while maintaining privacy. They also fit beautifully in narrow or horizontal spaces, which adds visual interest and balance to your home's facade. Strategically placed awning windows can break up large exterior walls, enhance architectural symmetry, and even highlight landscaping or entryways, drawing the eye and elevating curb appeal from every angle. Boosting natural light without sacrificing style. Homes that feel bright and open tend to have higher curb appeal, both in person and in listing photos. Awning windows let in ample natural light, even in compact or hard-to-reach areas of the home. Installed alone or in a row, they create a modern, airy appearance. Paired with larger fixed or picture windows, awning windows offer a layered design effect that looks high-end and thoughtfully styled. This increased natural light doesn't just improve your interior living spaces, it also adds a warm, welcoming glow to your home from the outside, especially during early mornings or twilight hours in West Jordan. Customization that matches your home's personality. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is their customizable nature. You can choose from a wide range of materials, frame colors, and finishes to match or enhance your existing exterior. Popular customization options include wood grain finishes for a rustic or traditional feel, sleek black or bronze aluminum for a modern edge, white or neutral tones to keep it classic and clean. No matter your home's style, awning windows can be tailored to seamlessly blend in or provide an eye-catching contrast, depending on your design goals. Functional beauty that lasts. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about maintaining your home's exterior condition. Awning windows are known for their durability and low maintenance, thanks to high-quality materials and weather-resistant features. In West Jordan's varied climate, with hot summers, rain, and occasional snow, awning windows provide excellent protection from the elements, even when open. Durable seals and frames that resist warping or rotting. Minimal maintenance, helping your exterior stay clean and sharp. Because they open outward and shield the window opening, awning windows also help prevent rain from entering your home, reducing moisture-related wear and tear. Final thoughts. Upgrade with style and substance. If you're looking for a way to elevate the exterior of your West Jordan home, awning windows offer a perfect blend of form and function. Their sleek appearance, customization options, and durability make them a smart choice for homeowners who want to stand out while adding real value. Ready to upgrade your home's curb appeal with stylish awning windows? Connect with a trusted local window specialist in West Jordan to explore designs, get expert recommendations, and schedule a consultation.